Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. It's that time of year for Christmas baking, making cookies and candies and all those fun things that you have in your tradition for your family. One of our traditions is, it wouldn't be Christmas without peanut butter balls dipped in chocolate. So I wanted to show y'all how I put that together. It's easy, it's delicious, it's foolproof. Kids can join in if you have kids that want to help out in the kitchen. Here's what we're going to do. You're going to need graham cracker crumbs. You're going to need 2 cups of creamy or crunchy, we use creamy, Peter Pan peanut butter. I recommend Peter Pan. That's just what I use. Totally up to you. If you have another brand that you love, that's fine, but 2 cups. You're going to need 2 cups of powdered sugar and and 1 stick of melted butter. So I have already melted my butter. I'm going to put that into my bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to need that as well. I have done these for so many years. They are in Mama's Always Right cookbook. They're no bake, so you don't have to bake them. And like I say, they're easy and they're fun to do with kids. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, this is 16 ounces, so 2 cups. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my creamy Peter Pan peanut butter. The thing I love about these is you can make them ahead and freeze them. And then you've got your, treats when you need them, when you want them. Even if you want just one, you can pop one out and let it thaw a little bit, or even eat it straight out of the freezer. I've done that. Lord knows, I've eaten them every which way but loose. 2 things that are always on our table at Christmas for sweet treats, and that's this and the peanut butter Ritz crackers. Peanut butter in between 2 Ritz crackers and then dipped in white chocolate, because one of my sons loves these and the other loves the white chocolate. So it's not really Christmas without those 2 things. And both of those can be frozen ahead of time, which is great. These make great treats too if you just pack up a few and take them to your neighbors or to someone at work or whatever. It's like a little homemade Reese cup, sort of. Okay. Make sure I get all the peanut butter out of here. There we go. Okay, now to this, and I'm gonna lick this and put it in the sink. Okay, to this, you're gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar. And last but not least, 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Now I have used vanilla wafers for this as well, because I didn't have graham cracker crumbs and I had vanilla wafers, so I just ran to the food processor, used those, and they were great. Really sweet, but really good. Okay. Now, I like to mix mine with my hands. That's totally up to you. Everybody has their little, niche. This happens to be mine. I think I can feel when it's, really mixed up well. I've always mixed these with my hands. I can also kind of feel if they're a little gooey, and if they're gooey, it's okay if you're going to press them down into a pan and slice them and eat them, but not for rolling, for dipping. So these are a little gooey, so I'm just going to put a little bit of my graham cracker crumbs in my hand and then continue to mix those in. I hate to say that, but until it feels right. Because you really want to be able to pick these up and roll them bite size. Well, and place them on a cookie sheet lined with wax paper. And I'm gonna stick these into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. When they come out, I'm gonna follow the instructions on the deluxe candy coating that I bought at Food Lion this morning. It's 2 minutes in a glass bowl in the microwave. And then you stir it, and then if it needs any thinning out, you can add just a tablespoon of vegetable shortening. I'll use Crisco, butter flavor Crisco, and stir that in, and then I will dunk these, bring them out of the refrigerator, dunk these, and then put them back on the wax paper, back in the refrigerator, let them set up good, and then I'll put them in a bag and put them in the freezer. But that is how I do my peanut butter balls dipped in chocolate for Christmas. I hope that's something that you can use at your home or for gifts or however you see fit. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.